Hello everyone. Let us understand a scenario where we could reference the target line and also highlight the values which are above or below the target line. Let us select a table. Here I would select a table visual. Let us bring in the month column of date table just to show as an example. I'll bring in the month column into the table visual, and here in the measure table I have written a measure called total sales. Here you could see that month wise I have particular total sales, aggregated total sales, which is aggregating to 127 million. What I could do is I could select the clustered bar chart in order to represent that in a bar chart. As soon as I change that to bar chart in the visualizations, here you could see that my visual is now changed to a bar chart, and I could see the respective values over here ranging from 0 to 5 million and 10 and 15 million. Okay, now suppose that my target it is some 9 million. Okay, that 9 million range would lie over here. Now how to bring the target reference line in the bar chart? Here let us go to the format on the right side. Okay, and if you scroll down, you would see something called as reference line. Here this in this reference line you would see this add line button. You click on add line button. Here you could see several types of lines, which is constant line, minimum line, maximum line, and all these lines. For now, since our target is some constant line, we shall choose the constant line. Okay, now we have chosen the constant line. Let us rename it as target sales. I'll hit enter. Now we could provide the target line by making a measure. Here I'll go to the data pane. I'll select my measure table. I'll write a new measure. Here what I could do is I could write the measure as target sales equal to, since I don't have the sales target table, I would hard code the values as 9 million. It is around 90 lakhs, and I'll hit enter. I'll go to the format pane. I'll scroll down. Here if you could see in the line, in this line we have something called fx, which you could see over here, and I'll click on this fx. Here in the format style, let us select the field value, and based upon the target sales, let us select the target sales and click OK. As soon as we click the target sales, we could see a thin line appearing at the back end over here. Okay, this thin line we could bring it front and change its color. Let us change it to the black color. Okay, to make it visible. This is my thin line. I could reduce the transparency. I could make the style as solid. Okay, this is my solid line where I could show it, and I could change the position to the front. I could turn on the data label. Here my data label is again in different color. Let us change the color to black so that it could appear a little better. Here you could see that my data label is visible. I can even bring in the data label according to the name and data value both. Select the style from the data label and select both over here. So once you select style as both in the right side, okay, and you would get this target sales which is present in the bar chart, right? And what you could do is you could still change the display units into millions. Now I am able to make my target sales. Now I would like to highlight the sales which is less than the 9 million. Here I could see that all my sales are above 9 million except the November month. So let us write another measure where I could highlight the target sales which are below and above the measure which is written. Here I'll select the measure table. I shall create a new measure to write the conditional format check. Let us name the measure as format check equal to, I'll use switch function in order to highlight the values. I would like to write the true condition, where it is always true, the value, in the value I would like to write the condition where my total sales measure, if it is greater than target sales measure. Okay, what I would want is green color. Okay, if at all my total sales measure, if it is less than my target sales, then I would require red color. Okay, else I could write I want gray color. Okay, I could close the parenthesis. Do not forget to put right commas, and then I'll commit. So here I have written a basic switch statement based upon the target sales condition which I wanted, and now I could select the format pane. I'll select the table visual. Okay, and in the format pane, if you could see, I could go to the bars column. Here you could see the bars, and I would select this fx which is present. I'll select the fx. Here from the format style, I'll select field value, and from the basis we shall select the format check. I'll click OK. As soon as I do that, here you could see that our November month, which is less than the 9 million, it is in red color, and all other values which are above the target sales are in green color. I hope it is understandable. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.